Hey, I'm Brad from Chiles And Smoke, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to smoke sausages on my Pit Boss grill. Today I'm gonna be smoking Johnsonville Jalapeno Cheddar sausages. So the first thing we're gonna do is get the sausages out of the package so that they can dry. And what that will do is create a really nice crispy crust when you're smoking them. That way there's no moisture on the outside. I recommend putting them on a wire rack for about an hour in the fridge. So the smoker's up to temp, I set it for 250. Let's take these sausages and put them on. All right, so the sausages are on. They're gonna smoke at 250 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. So we're smoking the sausages low because we don't want the juices inside to heat up too fast and burst the casings. Now, it might be tempting to pierce the sausages with the fork. What you'll wanna do is grab some tongs. That way you keep all the juices inside. That's where all the flavor is. The sausages are done when the internal temperature is 165. Don't have a meat thermometer? Wait for this sound. That's when you know the juices are boiling and they're done and the casings are firm. Oh man, these smell so amazing. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, look at the cheese coming out of these Johnsonville Jalapeno Cheddar sausages. The best thing to put on your sausages is your teeth. Smoke, jalapenos, and cheddar, that's how it's done.